Turmeric, a golden spice for weight loss. Turmeric is a vibrant yellow spice with a long history of use in traditional medicine. It comes from the turmeric plant, a relative of ginger. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is responsible for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties have sparked immense interest in turmeric's potential to aid in weight loss. While turmeric is not a magic bullet for shedding pounds, its unique properties can contribute to a holistic weight loss strategy. Curcumin's ability to combat inflammation is key, as chronic inflammation is often linked to obesity and metabolic disorders. By reducing inflammation, turmeric can help create a more favorable environment for weight management. Furthermore, turmeric's antioxidant power plays a crucial role in protecting the body from free radical damage. Free radicals can disrupt cellular processes and hinder metabolic function. Turmeric's antioxidants help neutralize these harmful molecules, promoting a healthier metabolism that is better equipped to burn calories and manage weight. In essence, turmeric works on multiple levels to support metabolic health and facilitate weight loss. The science behind turmeric's weight loss power. Scientific research has shed light on the mechanisms by which turmeric can aid in weight loss. Studies have shown that curcumin can suppress the growth of fat tissue and inhibit the formation of new fat cells. This effect is attributed to curcumin's ability to modulate certain proteins and enzymes involved in fat metabolism. A study published in the European Journal of Nutrition found that curcumin supplementation led to a significant reduction in body mass index, BMI, and waist circumference in overweight individuals. Another study from Tufts University demonstrated that curcumin could improve insulin sensitivity, a crucial factor in regulating blood sugar levels and preventing fat storage. These findings provide compelling evidence that turmeric can contribute to healthy weight management by targeting key metabolic processes. However, it's important to note that more research is needed to fully elucidate the long-term effects of turmeric on weight loss and to determine optimal dosages and methods of consumption. Integrating turmeric into your daily diet. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine is simple and delicious. One of the easiest ways is to enjoy a soothing cup of turmeric tea. Simply add a teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup of hot water, stir well, and allow it to steep for a few minutes. You can enhance the flavor and absorption of curcumin by adding a pinch of black pepper and a squeeze of lemon juice. Another popular option is to add turmeric to your cooking. Turmeric lends a warm, earthy flavor to curries, soups, stews, and stir-fries. You can also sprinkle turmeric powder onto roasted vegetables or blend it into smoothies for a nutritional boost. Experiment with different recipes to find what you enjoy most. The best time to consume turmeric is a matter of debate. Some experts suggest taking it in the morning to kickstart your metabolism, while others recommend consuming it in the evening for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Ultimately, the optimal time may vary depending on individual preferences and health goals. Consistency is key, so aim to incorporate turmeric into your diet regularly to reap its potential benefits. Turmeric, a holistic approach to health. While turmeric has gained recognition for its potential weight loss benefits, its health benefits extend far beyond weight management. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a wide range of ailments. Its powerful anti-inflammatory properties have shown promise in managing conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. Turmeric's antioxidant effects contribute to overall cellular health and protect against oxidative stress, which is implicated in various chronic diseases. Additionally, emerging research suggests that turmeric may have neuroprotective properties, potentially benefiting brain health and cognitive function. In essence, turmeric is a versatile spice that offers a holistic approach to health. Its potential to aid in weight loss is just one facet of its multifaceted nature. By embracing turmeric as part of a balanced lifestyle, you can harness its remarkable properties to enhance your overall well-being and vitality.